Snapchat, my eyes only, not loading or working. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how we can solve if you're not being able to load my eyes only on Snapchat. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If your my eyes only on Snapchat is not working for any of the reasons, now let us explore the options we have. First of all, if you're using on Android, long press the Snapchat app icon. Tap on the eye icon over there, which will take you to your app information page. From here, go to the option called Storage and clear the cache files and clear the data. But remember that clearing the data will reset the app, so it will log you out of your account as well. Next, open up your Play Store or your App Store. In the search bar, search for Snapchat. Then just check if the Snapchat app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Now it could be that you might have forgotten the password for your My Eyes Only. So try to access it once again. Just go to Memories, scroll to the right and tap on My Eyes. Normally you have your passcode with you, but if you forgot your passcode, you can tap the Options button from the bottom right of the screen, which is fairly visible. Then tap on Forgot Passcode to reset your Snapchat My Eyes passcode. So hopefully this video helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.